Hi, this is John, and today we're going to look at piano accompaniment patterns 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is something anybody can do who's never played the piano before. We're going to take a one-chord song. So if the song only has one chord, it's simple. It's easy to play. The main thing is to learn this pattern, and the pattern is based upon a whole note. A whole note gets 4 counts. So if I turn on my metronome, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of fast. But so a whole note gets 4 counts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. We'll play 2 chords for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can do that and just play the chords, and that would be your accompaniment. Now, if you had different chords, it'd be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that with a song. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 counts each for the chords. We have 2 chords: C chord in left hand, C, E, G, and C chord in right hand, C, E, G. Remember, this is a 1-chord song. Row, row your boat is a 1-chord song. So it'll be row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now, we could make this into half notes. So a half note gets 2 counts. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So it'd be row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now we could use quarter notes. A quarter note gets one count, 1 beat, like 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. But you know, we can mix it up. We could add some half notes or some whole notes or quarter notes, like this. We'll start off: row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now there's all kinds of patterns. This is pattern 1 is where you're playing whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern number 2 is playing half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pattern number 3 would be playing quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, pattern number 4 is playing alternating hands. Instead of the hands playing together, we play left hand, right hand. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. You could keep the left hand down to maintain the sustain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be alternating for pattern number 4. So let's try this with a song, and I'm going to alternate this time. Here we go. Okay, so that gives you an idea. You can do this with any song. Just take the chord of the song and alternate back and forth, left, right, left, right. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now there's all kinds of patterns. For example, there's this pattern that goes like this. But those are more complex patterns. Right now, pattern number 1, 2, 3, and 4, that's what you want to work on. Get your music book with the chords and try to sing the songs using these patterns. Now this other pattern, this is kind of a complex pattern. So I just want to show you there are more complex patterns. So just playing solid chords is pretty easy, but playing your broken chords is more difficult to do. Okay, so this ends this lesson, and we will have pattern number 5 on our next video. So subscribe and tune in, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye for now.